Hi, I'm Champe Presley, and today is December 8th, 2014. Welcome to Wolford News with Champe Presley. There are lots of fascinating creatures out there, and I think one in particular is extra special. Can you guess which one it is? If you guessed giraffes, then you are correct. This episode of Wolford News will be all about giraffes. Let's start with some interesting facts you may not know about giraffes. For one, a giraffe's tongue is 20 inches long. That's so they can reach leaves that are high. That's one long tongue. And giraffes are ruminants, which means they have more than one stomach. They have 4 stomachs. That's a lot to go through. Third, giraffes have a special circulatory system that allows them not to get dizzy. It gets the blood way up in the neck to their heads. That's one strong heart. And last but not least, did you know humans and giraffes both have the same number of bones in our necks? So interesting. Next, one question to ask is, do giraffes cause problems for humans? No, it's the other way around. It's really the other way around. Humans hurt giraffes by hunting and moving into their habitat. They are very peaceful animals and they don't cause trouble. There are now preservations just for giraffes so they can live happily. Giraffes mainly live in the African savannas, grasslands, or open woodlands. Now let's hand it over to our correspondent, Moose Presley, who is over in the African savanna right now. Hi! Hi, I'm Moose Presley over here in the African savanna. Giraffes don't like being in thick forests because of their height and them getting stuck in the branches. They live in groups of giraffes called towers or herds. They don't need a lot of water, which makes them good animals for Africa. And they eat all the time, so they need lots of trees nearby. And that's all the time we have in the African savanna today, folks. Bye! Thanks, Moose, for that report. Now let's look at the life cycle. Baby giraffes are about the size of a human male. Newborn calves grow 1 inch every day. When a baby isn't eating, he jumps around and plays around. At 10 years old, the male giraffe is fully grown. Giraffes have many inherited traits. Here are some of them. They have spots and they are tall just like their parents. Their large lumps on their giraffe's head are also inherited. Males fight with their neck when they are fighting over a girl giraffe. Their lips are also long and muscular. They have lots of inherited traits. These are just a few. Adaptations that giraffes use to help them adapt to their environment. They can't survive in places where there are small plants because it's hard for them to bend down, so they have to live in places with tall plants. During the dry season, they go to nearby rivers and live. They are active during the night hours because it is cooler. Bending down is a daily challenge. To reach down, they have to spread their front legs really far apart. Their skin color is camo, so lions can't see them. Next to the trees. Their skin is thick for insulation. Their eyelids are really long to keep bugs out. I know you love this time with me. Here are some questions I have that I think you could think about. How do giraffes get their blue tongues? What can we do to help giraffes survive? That's all the time we have for today, folks. Now it's time for me to go with my own pet giraffes. Thanks for watching Wolford News with Champe Presley. Bye!